Once upon a time in ancient Halmahera Utara, there was a peaceful coastal village. Every morning, the villagers and children went about their daily activity as usual while the lush trees in the forest welcomed the cool morning air, accompanied by a thin mist that moved slowly among the leaves. Golden sunlight shone on the villager houses, and the shady river glistened in the morning light. It was on the riverbank that two lovers named Magohidoro and Majojaro sat with their feet dipped in the clear water. Small smiles appeared on both their faces. They splashed water at each other, laughed together, enjoyed the tranquility of the day. But behind those laughs, there was a sadness that began to emerge as they sat looking at each other.
Majojaru, my love, I want to go for a while.
Why do you want to leave?
Magohidoro did not answer immediately. He stood up, holding his knees, looking hesitant and then anxious. But finally, she spoke with a sincere voice.
Majojaru, I love you more than anything else in this world. You believe me, don't you?
I believe you. I also love you more than anything else in the world.
I want to marry you if you are willing.
Of course, I'm willing.
That's exactly why. I have to live. I am too poor to support myself, let alone if we have a family. I want to earn a living, I promise. When I have saved enough money, I will come back and marry you.
They held hands tightly, as if holding a secret promise. On top of a hill, they stood together looking at the peaceful village, small houses, trees, and the blue sky that sheltered their future. Hope still excited, even though the shadow of separation began to envelop them. The next morning, Magohidoro was lost in anxious thought. He walked through the village to say goodbye to Majojaro, reassuring her that everything would be alright. With a heavy heart, Majojaro accompanied Magohidoro to the harbor. He boarded the ship with the hope of returning. At the pier, Majojaro could only stare, believing that his love would return. The ship slowly sailed away. The houses on the coast fell silent because Magohidoro had left to seek his fortune. Year after year passed, but no news, message, or letters arrived. The pier became a quiet place full of waiting.
One day, pushed up the current to go to the harbor. She met the sailor who had just arrived.
Excuse me, do you know a young man named Magohidoro? He is my lover. I haven't heard from him in a long time. I'm worried that something has happened to him.
Poor girl, your lover had an accident and see while working, he didn't survive.
Majojaru was shocked. Her body trembled. Her world seemed to collapse instantly. She left the harbor with faltering steps, and all the way home, she cried and cried for 3 days and 3 nights. She cried incessantly, her tears flowed so profusely that they slowly formed a clear water lake. Majojaru drowned in the lake, following her true love into eternity. The next day, the village came to the field and were surprised to see a new lake. It was so blue. The stars added questioningly.
How could this lake have appeared suddenly? What actually happened here?